Anthropic has launched Claude Sonnet 5 and it's now the default model for Claude. Plus, Meta's Brain 2 QWERTY turns brain signals into full sentences with incredible accuracy. Tesla's wheel-free Cybercab starts testing on Austin streets, and OpenClaw finally lands on iOS and Android. But is it any good? Let's get into today's AI news. Anthropic has made Claude Sonnet 5 the default model for every free and pro user, and this is not a small update. The model plans multi-step tasks, drives browsers and terminals, and checks its own work without being asked, agentic behavior that needed a far bigger model as recently as February. On one coding benchmark, it scores 63.2%, up from 58.1% for the outgoing Sonnet 4.6, and it's closing in on Opus 4.8's 69.2% at a fraction of the price. Anthropic is charging $2 per million input tokens and 10 per million output tokens through the end of August, before prices rise. The pitch isn't our best model, it's our best model most people can actually afford to run all day. Meta has released Brain 2 QWERTY v2, the latest version of its non-invasive brain-to-text system. It reads magnetic signals from a scanner worn on the head and decodes full sentences in real time. No keyboard, no implant, no typing at all. Average word accuracy sits at 61%, with top performers reaching 78%, a long way up from the 8% ceiling older non-invasive systems were stuck at. Meta has published the work in Nature and open-sourced the training code alongside it. For anyone who's lost the ability to type or speak, that jump from single digits to real conversational accuracy is quite incredible. Tesla has started engineering tests of its first production Cybercab, and this one has genuinely no steering wheel or pedals, just a safety monitor riding along in the passenger seat. 34 units are already running around downtown Austin, with a 70-strong staging fleet waiting in Dallas. The first production Cybercab rolled off the line at Gigafactory, Texas back in February, so this is that fleet finally reaching real streets. Texas has effectively just approved a production vehicle with no manual controls at all, a regulatory first every other state will now have to answer to. Whether the rest of the country follows Austin's lead is the question worth watching. OpenClaw is finally on iOS and Android, bringing its self-hosted AI agent to phones for the first time. Each app pairs with your own OpenClaw gateway rather than a company server, which is likely why Apple, long resistant to agentic tools, let it through review at all, with the App Store listing stating it collects no user data whatsoever. From your phone, it can now reach your camera, your calendar, your contacts, your screen. Self-hosting used to mean a terminal window and patience. Now it means an app icon. But some initial reviews have been less than favourable. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you can go just one more step and support us by liking and sharing this video, we would really appreciate it.